So previous video, I'm shared about that the goodwill theory as well as some of the important factors, features of goodwill. In this today's video, in this particular video, in the second video, I'm going to showing that average profit method. So how we are going to solution part, how we want to identify that one. Okay, solution, how we are going to calculate the average profit method. We have basically in average profit method, we have 5 steps are there. One by one we will do. So a simple problem I took. So here, Mr. Amar has been doing the business, intends to sell his business on 1/12/2006 from the following particulars, ascertain the amount of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of average profits of last 4 years. The profits during the 4 years were as follows. So here we can see that one, the years was given there. So 2003, there is a 2 lakh rupees, and 2004 rupees 2,40,000, 2,40,000, and 2005 there is rupees 3 lakh, and 2006 3,60,000. So here we can see that one, the amounts were we can see that here 2 lakh for 2003, and 2004 2,40,000, and 2005 3 lakh, and 2006 3,60,000. The amount was keep on increasing only. So at the time of acquisition of business, the buyer was employed as a manager of a similar business on a salary of rupees 6,000 per month. So here per month, the per month is, if it is given in the question in the sense, we need to convert it on the yearly basis, 6,000 into 12. So approximately 72,000 will come. Like that we need to do for all the years. The profit of 2006 include income from the investment of rupees 20,000. So this one we have to identify either plus or minus. So the profits of 2003 were reduced by rupees 60,000 being a loss on speculation. Similarly, in 2005, profits were reduced by rupees 1 lakh due to loss from betting. So in the class already I have shared about that the pro forma of the average profit method, what are the steps we are going to do like that. Now we are going to doing that one by one. So step number one, we can see the step number one. Step number one, there is statement of adjusted profits. Under the statements of adjusted profits, we have to provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. We have to provide 5 columns. I'm going to provide the 5 columns now. Okay, the first column required particulars. Second column required the year 2003, and the next year the following 2004, 2005, and 2006. So particulars required more space. That's the reason I'm going to give the more space for that one. So here you can see particulars one by one. You can see the profits were given in the question. We can see here, the 2003, that is 2 lakh rupees. The amount column you have to write 2 lakh. In 2004 it is given 2,40,000. In 2005 it is given 3 lakh, and 2006 it is given 3,60,000. So 3,60,000. And then after the profit we can see less remuneration. Remuneration to proprietor. Remuneration for proprietor. So remuneration of proprietor, in the sense, already I told you that 6,000 per month it is given. 6,000 per month, if it is given into, in the sense, you need to convert into the annum basis, per annum. 6,000 into 12. So 6,000 into 12, in the sense, how much you will get? Approximately 72,000 you will get. 72,000. So 72,000 for all the year. 72,000 per all the year. So after the profits, what you'll get, in the sense, the amount you have to write. So 1,28,000. So here 1,68,000. So here 2,28,000. And the last one also 2,28,000. 2,28,000. Then interest on investment, less interest on investment. So interest on investment is given only for that there is only one particular year, that is 2006. Okay, in the 2006 column only you need to write 20,000. So 20,000. Remaining all the years should be a nil, or you can put a small dash. Okay, again you can do the total. So here 1,28,000, 1,28,000. So here 1,68,000. So here in this column 2,28,000. So here in this column 2,68,000. So after this, add, that is add loss due to speculation. So loss due to speculation, the amount you have to check. In the 2005, that amount was given 1 lakh rupees. So here there is nil, here also nil, and here that amount was given 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees, last year also nil. So next column, we can identify that one. Loss due to speculation. There is 60,000 is, sorry, loss due to speculation is given 60,000. 60,000, and this column should be a nil. This column should be a nil. And then you have to do the total for this one, 1,88,000. And then next column, 1,68,000. Next column, 2,28,000. And the last column, 2,68,000. So next column, add non-recurring loss due to betting. Loss due to betting. So non-recurring betting in the sense, you can see identify here. So nil. So nil. And the third year, that is 2005, is given 1 lakh rupees. The last column, nil. And then you will get, so after this one, you have to get the total, you will get as adjusted profit. Adjusted profit you will get. So total as it is here also 1,88,000. So next column also 1,68,000. 2,28,000 minus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh rupees, in the sense you will get 3,28,000. So 3,28,000. The last column 2,68,000. So this is the step number 1. And then step number 2. Step number 2, the heading should be calculation of adjusted profit. Adjusted profit. Under this, we need to identify that one, adjusted profit. So simple average method. Simple average profit equals, that is total adjusted profits of all the years divided by number of years. So now next line. So next line we can see that one, simple average profit, that is simple average profit equals, so 1,88,000 plus 1,68,000, then plus 3,28,000 plus then 2,68,000. Okay, then divided by, so number of years that is given in the question, that is 4. So what are the amount you will get in the sense, that is rupees 2,38,000. 2,38,000. That is step number 2. Then step number 3. So step number 3, you can see calculation of goodwill. Calculation of goodwill. So calculation of goodwill. So under the calculation of goodwill, we can see that. So this is the formula, that is goodwill equals average average profit into number of years, of purchase, So previous step number 2, we got that amount, that is 2,38,000 into number of number of years of purchase. It is given in the question itself, that is 3 years. So don't get confusion here. So 4 years in the sense, this 2003, 4, 5, 6, we have taken on the step number 2. But step number 3, it is given in the question, that is 3 years. Number of purchase of years, that is given. So number of purchase, we need to check that one. Okay, see here, number of purchase is given here. So these 3 years, we need to take here. So, 2,38,000 into 3 years in the sense, how much you will get? So you will get up rupees 7,14,000. 7,14,000. Then the next step number 4, we are not doing. Only we have the step number 3 only. So in the heading like average profit method, we have only step 1, step 2, as well as step 3. So simple. So in the step number 3, we can see that one. I'm going to highlight this one, which are the steps. It will be very easy for you to identify. See, statement of adjusted profit, or to identify the adjusted profit, we did this particular thing. And step number 2, calculation of adjusted profit. To identify this one, we have to apply this formula. That is the total adjusted profit of all the years. See here, all the years, the profit I am taken here, then divided by number of years. And we'll get 2,38,000. Then step number 3, calculation of goodwill. So in the calculation of goodwill, we have 2 subpoints are there. Okay, the 2 subpoints, we have taken the first subpoint, that is the fluctuation of the profit, the simple average profit method, okay, has been used. And then weightage average method. So under the calculation of goodwill, we have 2 subpoints are there, simple average method as well as weighted average method. So simple average method only we have taken. So weighted average, when you take in the sense, there's a fluctuation in the profits. Okay, see here, in the fluctuation of profits, 1,80,000, 1,68,000, 3,28,000, and 2,68,000. So when it is there in the sense, that time you need to take this particular calculation of goodwill under that simple average profit method we need to use. Okay, these are the simple sum I discussed in the class. I hope all of you understand this particular concept, that average profit method. In this method, these are the 3 solutions I did. Okay, thank you. Watch for other updated videos I'm going to uploading in that LMS as well as in the YouTube channel. Go through that. Kindly go through that one. Thank you.